Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mail unboxing, but I'll show you one thing that I did open beforehand. I joined a group order for the enhypen season's greeting, and my bias for enhypen is Jungwon, so I got some things there from their season's greeting. Here is everything, and then here are the things that were included. The first thing was this, and this is basically kind of like a poster board, and then in the back it has all of like their information on here, so that was part of it. And then the other thing I got was this. Here are like little postcards from like the season's greeting. There's 3 of them, so cute. And then here's all the backs of it. And then here's this one. It was for the enhypen season's greeting. I think it was a little bit more like meteorologist or weather related, so Jungwon was lightning. And then here's his photo card. And then here's the back. So cute, and I think he drew the picture himself, which I think was adorable. Yeah, so here are the things that I got from enhypen season's greeting. I think I'll just leave it like this here. So recently I did a lot of trades, so here's one of it. So both the trader and I, we were concerned about like sending postcards, but they packaged it up really well. But this is it. This is so cute. Look at it. And let's get the sides. I'll just use this, I guess. Here is the universe postcard for Jisung, and here's the back, very plain. It's a little dented, but since it's like a postcard, I'm like okay with it, but it's so cute, and they were so nice to package it up really well, so I'm very grateful. Here's another universe related trade. Okay, I got it. Whoa, okay, so here's some freebies. So cute, look at it. And then I think this is the photo book for Jisung. For the Universe album. Look at how cute this is. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I've always wanted one of these. It's the holographic hearts penny sleeve. That is so cute. Here, I'll leave it here. We'll just go through all the Universe ones, I guess, for now. This one I think is the sticker. I'll double check. Yep, it's a sticker. And but here is the sticker. It's so nice, and I'm so excited to put this in my journal as well. I'll put it right here. Okay, next one. I guess I can go for another package. Here is another package. Let me put these off to the side. I ordered some kihnos. These ones don't have photo cards in it, but I thought it was okay because I just wanted to decorate them. So I got this. usually for like these kinds of things, they sell for pretty cheap. Oh my gosh, did I cut through like a poster? I don't know, maybe they used a poster, but oh, sorry. But yeah. Oh my gosh, I kind of feel like they used a poster to package it, which is a very good use of packaging, so yeah. But as I was saying, I ordered kihnos because I just wanted to decorate them. I just think it's so funny how they used a poster to package it. That's so like, that's like a resourceful way of packaging things. Anyways, I ordered 4 kihnos, and here are the... Okay, I always have a problem opening them. Here are the ones that I ordered. So let's go through all of them. They're pretty much all the same since they don't have photo cards in here. But here's the Hello Future version. I think this is the Hello one. Look at all of them. Recently I've been like ripping albums and reusing them to make envelopes, which I think is so much fun. I love the photos for this concept. Like, look at how pretty the colors are. So nice. Yeah, so here's the front, and then obviously we have the kihno in here. And I love the kihno for this one. It's so pretty. Here's the future version, I believe. I haven't seen the photos for the future version, so that's cool to flip through all of them. Oh my gosh. They look so good. Like, the photos look so nice. Oh my gosh. And then here's the back. So nice. And then I wonder if the kihno is different for this one. Oh, okay, it's like inverted colors. So this one's yellow. This one's yellow and blue, and then this one's blue and yellow. Very nice. And then I really wanted to get a Wee Boom one. I really like the back of the kihno. Like, this is such a nice photo. I don't know why, I just really like this photo. So I got it, and then I think I've seen like the inside of this one before, but we can go through it. So, oh, I'm stupid. I guess like the photos are here. That's like all of the photos, and then, oh, I guess there's a second one. I guess the, oh, are there 2? Are they like different photos? Yeah, I think they are. Oh, that's so cool. So I guess the seller added both in here, or they just had both in there. And then, isn't that so pretty? That kihno is beautiful. I love the black and white and the checkered pattern. Also the ripped paper effect. It looks amazing. But mainly I bought it for the back of the back. Such a nice picture in the back. Same thing for this one. I actually bought this for the back as well. Like, look at that. I love the back. So colorful, very nice. And I'm interested in seeing how they fit so many members in this one. But I'm pretty sure you guys, I guess, already saw it. Low-key want to rip all of these up and like add it into envelopes. So cute. Henry looks so cute in the little cat hat. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to collect the photo card of him in that cat hat, but I have to stick to my Jisung collection first. But here is all of it. So nice. I love the colors. And love how simple it looks. Very nice. So look forward to me decorating these kihnos maybe. That is so exciting. But yeah. 4 kihnos, huh? Okay, I have some other letters, so I'll go through this one. Here it is. This one I bought, and here's like some freebies. So cute. Oh, she decorated the top loader. That's so cute. This is a Jisung SM Daytime Pass album photo card. I think I've already like know that I'm not gonna get the one where there's like 50 different polls, but at least I got the daytime one. So cute. Yeah, that's Jisung in there. And here's the back. Look at his signature. Here's the next one. I think I know what it is. I think this is also part of the SM one, but I traded for this one. Yeah, this one was traded for. Oh my gosh. The washi tape, I love the confetti. But this one is their like, I still don't know what this is. Is this like a pass or something? I can't tell. But here's the front, and this is the back. Whoa, I actually never saw the back of it before. But yeah, it's like a set. So now I have a Jisung set. Here is another one. I think this one was also traded for. I traded the Jimin one for this photo card, and I think I know what it is, and I'm so excited because yeah, there it is. It's Teddy Wan, everyone. Even the passing cars are really excited to see Teddy Wan. I am so happy I got Teddy Wan. So basically, I didn't like, once she put it up that she was trading Teddy Wan, I knew I had to get him, and perfect timing because I just pulled a Jamin from the NCT, the SM Daytime Pass album, so, and they were looking for it, so I got Teddy Wan. And here's the back. So cute. I can't believe I got Teddy Wan. It's like in my hands now. But yeah, I love it. Adorable. This is for my sister. We bought some stickers together from It's Deco Day, so I ordered stuff. Okay, so I got a sticker binder because I kind of needed one, and this is what it looks like. How do I do this? Okay, like, I'm actually, like, do you poke it? I don't know what to do with it. I guess I'll put it like this for now. But yeah, that's the sticker binder. And then I guess it teaches you how to put stickers in the sticker binder. Here's the It's Deco Day stickers. How do I... Okay, it's already opened. Okay, cool. Because my sister, she got some stickers as well, so that was very nice. And then she also got me some photo cards that I needed sent to our house, but I'm trying to go for a more purple concept these days, so I got some purple stickers. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at it. That's beautiful. And also this ribbon one, and then some jelly letters, and then I also got some that had like text in them. Very pretty. And then she also sent me some of her stickers. Oh my gosh, this is the first time I'm seeing it in person. Look at how thick the stack is. So cute. The backing card is so cute. Okay, here's the backing card. And then, oh my god, look at all the stickers. So cute. The ribbon ones, adorable. This is the first time I'm seeing it in real life. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. This looks so pretty. I love it. I can't believe like my sister made these. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. But all the stickers, so pretty. So these ones I had sent to my house because I was scared that it might get lost in the mail. But this one is my sister's. She pulled this and then she also gave it to me. Oh my gosh, it has a group photo card in here in the back. So nice. Look at that. So there's Jungwon. And then here's the group one. So cute. And then this one I traded for. I was looking for this Jisung one, and I was so happy when someone had it up for trade. It's Jisung! I have him! Okay, we have all of the photo cards. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!